A warm welcome to all of you. I hope today brings you peace, happiness, and the courage to learn something new. May every lesson help you speak English with greater confidence. Thank you for choosing to spend a few minutes with me today. Our lesson is about someone who can change our lives in a very special way. Today, we are going to talk about my favorite teacher. You will learn how to describe a teacher, talk about a favorite class, and express your feelings in natural English. Along the way, you will also learn useful vocabulary and everyday expressions that native speakers often use. Before we begin, please subscribe to the channel if you enjoy learning English with us. Give this video a like if it helps you improve, and share it with your friends and family who are learning English. Your support allows us to create more lessons for learners around the world. Now, let us begin today's story. First, let me introduce my favorite teacher. Her name is Mrs. Brown. She teaches English at my school. She is always cheerful and welcoming. Every morning, she greets every student with a warm smile. That simple smile makes everyone feel comfortable. She speaks clearly and patiently. She explains difficult ideas in a very simple way. Because of her, learning English feels enjoyable instead of stressful. She believes that every student can improve with practice. That belief gives us confidence every day. Here are today's first vocabulary words and phrases. Teacher. Student. Explain clearly. Be patient. Build confidence. I especially like the phrase build confidence. It is positive, encouraging, and very natural. Let us say it once again. Build confidence. It is a wonderful expression that you can use in many situations. Next, let me tell you about her classroom. Her classroom is always full of positive energy. Students are excited to learn. Nobody is afraid to ask questions. Mrs. Brown always listens carefully. She encourages everyone to share ideas. Even when someone makes a mistake, she smiles and says that mistakes help us learn. That makes the classroom feel safe and friendly. Everyone feels respected. Everyone feels welcome. Here are a few useful expressions. Ask questions. Share ideas. Learn from mistakes. Feel welcome. Positive energy. I really love the phrase learn from mistakes. It reminds us that mistakes are part of learning. Let us hear it again. Learn from mistakes. It is a fantastic expression for every English learner. After that, let me tell you about my favorite lesson. My favorite lesson is English conversation. Instead of only reading from the textbook, we practice speaking together. Sometimes we work in pairs. Sometimes we play language games. Sometimes we listen to short stories and answer questions. Every activity is interesting and practical. Mrs. Brown encourages us to speak without fear. She tells us that confidence grows one sentence at a time. Those words always inspire me. Here are today's next vocabulary words. Conversation. Practice speaking. Work in pairs. Answer questions. Improve every day. I think improve every day is an excellent phrase. It is simple, meaningful, and full of motivation. Let us repeat it together. Improve every day. Small progress leads to great success. Next, let me tell you about something I will never forget. One day, I was nervous before giving a short presentation. I worried that I would make mistakes. Before I stood up, Mrs. Brown smiled at me. She quietly said that she believed in me. Those few words changed everything. I took a deep breath. I spoke slowly. I finished my presentation successfully. After the class, she congratulated me and encouraged me to keep practicing. That moment gave me the courage to speak English more often. Here are some helpful expressions. Believe in someone. Take a deep breath. Speak slowly. Keep practicing. Never give up. I especially admire the phrase believe in someone. It is warm, powerful, and unforgettable. Let us hear it one more time. Believe in someone. It is one of the most meaningful expressions in English. After that, let me tell you what makes a great teacher. A great teacher does much more than teach lessons. A great teacher listens carefully. A great teacher encourages students. A great teacher celebrates every small improvement. Mrs. Brown always notices our progress. She praises our effort, not only our results. Because of her, I enjoy learning more than ever before. She has taught me that success comes from patience and consistency. That lesson is valuable both inside and outside the classroom. Here are a few more useful words and phrases. Encourage students. Celebrate progress. Show respect. Keep learning. Reach your goals. I really like the phrase celebrate progress. It reminds us that every small achievement matters. Let us repeat it together. Celebrate progress. It is a beautiful expression for every learner. Finally, let me tell you why she is my favorite teacher. She teaches with kindness. She teaches with passion. She believes in every student. She never stops encouraging us. She makes learning exciting and meaningful. Because of her, I have become more confident. I enjoy speaking English much more than before. I hope that one day I can inspire other people just as she inspired me. Now, let us review today's lesson. We talked about my favorite teacher. We learned how to describe a teacher and a favorite lesson. We also practiced many useful vocabulary words and natural English expressions. Now it is your turn. Who is your favorite teacher? What subject does your teacher teach? What do you enjoy most about that class? What important lesson did your teacher teach you? Try answering these questions in English. Do not worry if your sentences are simple. Every sentence is another step toward fluency. Thank you very much for learning with me today. I truly appreciate your time and your dedication. I hope this lesson has helped you improve your English and inspired you to keep learning. If you enjoyed today's lesson, please subscribe to the channel. Give this video a like. Share it with your friends who are learning English. Your support helps this community grow and encourages us to create more lessons for you. Take good care of yourself. Keep learning with confidence. Keep moving forward one lesson at a time. I look forward to sharing another English lesson with you very soon. Have a joyful day and happy learning.